Unlock potential savings and sharper driving skills by mastering the Allstate Drivewise app. First, download the Allstate Drivewise app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Allstate credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one through the Allstate website. Upon logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your central hub. Here, you'll see an overview of your recent trips. Drivewise automatically tracks your driving behavior, so simply have your phone with you and the app running in the background. Tapping on any trip will reveal detailed insights. You'll see metrics like miles driven, the time of day you were driving, and most importantly, your driving habits. Pay close attention to the score for braking, acceleration, and night driving. These are key factors in your overall Drivewise score. Now, for the exciting part, why your rewards. Navigate to the rewards section. Here, you can see how your safe driving translates into potential savings on your Allstate auto insurance premium. The app typically indicates how much you've earned or saved based on your track driving. Drivewise isn't just about tracking, it's about improvement. Explore the feedback section. You'll often find personalized tips and suggestions to help you refine your driving habits and increase your score, leading to even greater savings over time. To truly maximize your benefits, actively monitor your progress. Compare your scores week over week or month over month. Identify areas where you can improve and set personal goals. The more you engage with your data, the more you can enhance your driving and your savings. Finally, ensure your app settings are configured correctly. Check that location services are enabled for accurate tracking and that notifications are turned on so you don't miss important updates or achievements. With a little practice, the Allstate Drivewise app becomes an invaluable tool for safer roads and a lighter insurance bill.